Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. And as you guys can see, there is a bag right here. And yes, we are going to be doing an unboxing of these stones that I received from stonescard.com. I know you guys have seen me use a lot of their stones these past couple of months, and I'm really impressed with the quality of stones that they have. So that's why I really recommend them. And just a disclaimer, these stones were sent to me by stonescard.com. So they are sponsored, but that doesn't mean I'm going to be dishonest about my opinions when it comes to their products. Yeah, basically that's it. Okay, so if you guys want to see what's inside here, then just keep watching. All right, so let us start. Let's open these and let's see what's inside. Actually, I have no idea what's inside because I did choose some of them, but not all. So I have no idea what's in here. So let's just dive in, I guess. Oh, nice. Okay, so I guess it's kind of the same as what I got last time. And I got a bunch of stickers as well. Oh, nice. That's cool. Thank you, stonescard.com, for sending me these stickers as well. Let's do this. So I hope that they're all safe and there are no broken stones here. The case is a little bit broken though, from what I can see, which is typical with these plastic containers. These tapes are really hard to remove. Okay, we're almost there.
$2,000 later.
We're finally out, and as you guys can see, this is from stonescard.com. One of the clasps has been broken. Well, it's really typical. I've had a lot of different packages from, my other suppliers before, and this really happens with these type of plastic containers. So this is quite normal. Let's just hope that nothing is broken inside. So let's see. Dun! Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. These are a lot of stones. Let's see. How many stones are there here anyway? Okay, let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, wow. This is a beautiful Labradorite. And it's quite oily. It smells like jasmine oil. I have no idea what these stones are, like some of them. I'm not a stones expert, but these are pretty. If you guys know what they're called, comment down below, I guess. I lost count. I don't know how many these are. So, ooh, nice. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's dump these all out. Okay, so let's open the first one. I'm guessing that this is a turquoise, and it is so beautiful. I really love it. Okay, cool. All right, next. It's a natural purple Labradorite. That is so pretty. Look at that flash. That's really nice. Okay, now let's put that here. And the next one would be this. Oh, wow, this is nice. Like I said, I have no idea what this is. It's really cute though. All right, let's get to the next one. Oh my goodness, this is really cute. I forgot what this is called, but it's got something inside. Oh, look at this. It looks like it's got dandelions inside. It's so pretty. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, next, let's move on. This is nice. I have no idea what it's called, but I'm gonna write it down here at the bottom later on in post once I do my research. All right, so let's move on to the next piece. It looks like a dragon's egg. All right, next stone. Okay. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. I think this is a Kyanite. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna make a bracelet out of this, like a cuff bracelet that looks like this. It can even look good as a ring. It depends, actually. It depends on the hardness. If this was hard enough, I would do a prong setting with this. Otherwise, I'll just make a nice cuff bracelet with this. I think it looks beautiful. It's stunning. All right, moving on. Okay, so this is another turquoise. This is nice. This is really pretty. I think this would look good on both silver and copper. So we'll see. But yeah, let's put that here. Okay, next. This purple stone is nice. This is so cute. I'll probably do another pendant with this. And next one. I think this is fool's gold. Yeah, I think so. Pyrite, I believe. I think it's gonna look good as a cocktail ring. What do you guys think? Or I could make it into another prong pendant. Okay, next. Okay, so I think the one that I'm going to open now is I think it's a silver sheen obsidian, and it is very popular. This is the one. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's perfect. That is so nice. Next, we are going to open this one. I have no idea what it is, but it is pretty. Anyway, guys, if you want any of these, you can buy them at stonescard.com. And if you use my code MAJ10, you will be getting a 10% off of your purchase. And yeah, you will get also a free stone upon checkout. So do check stonescard.com, and the link is down below. And make sure that you use my code, which is MAJ10. Okay, next. I have no idea what this is, but this is really cute and pretty. It's exactly my skin tone. That is so weird. If I make this into a necklace, it will look like it's floating. Like for myself, that is. That is so odd. I've never seen a stone like this. I don't know what this is. I forgot what it's called. But it has a gunmetal finish, and it almost looks like metal, but it's not. It is a stone. If you guys know what this is, then please do comment down below. I really like this. Moving on. I think we're halfway there. More than halfway. I've got a lot of greens and purples here. I don't know what you are, but you're really pretty. I would make a tree of life with this because it's got these lines. Okay. Next, this is a blue laced agate. Well, this one I know. I think I have something similar to this in my collection, but yeah, this is really nice. So yes, this is a blue lace agate. Okay. Oh, wow. Yes, this I believe is one of the stones that I've been waiting for. So this is called a Seraphinite Cabochon. It is so pretty. Wait, I'll show it to you guys. Look at this. It looks like a petersite, and at the same time, it looks like it has mother of pearl on it. Oh my goodness, the camera is not showing what I'm seeing here, but yeah, it's got that like mother of pearl effect on it. Anyway, this is really pretty. I know exactly what I'm going to be doing with it. Okay, next is this stone. I believe this is a jasper. Oh, this is nice. Oh, the patterns on this. Look at that. That's really pretty. Oh, wow. Nice. Okay, so this is called a Magnesite, I believe. I don't know how to say it properly, but it's kind of like the stone that I used with the Tree of Life like a couple of weeks ago, I believe. Okay, the next one would be this. Oh, this one is another agate, but it's a different color, which is like more on the brown side. This is really pretty. Okay. So this is an oyster turquoise, the same one that I used last time. This is actually, I requested for this because I don't know if you guys remember one of the pieces that I made with this type of stone. It was so popular that a lot of people wanted one. So I asked for another one of these. So, yep. Okay. So this is the first and only square stone, I believe, that we have here. Okay, let's get to these two, which I have no idea what they are. Again, as usual, I just make wire jewelry. I don't know all of the stones yet, but we'll get there. But yeah, comment down below if you know what these are. Okay, so these two were packed in one bag. These are cute. I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this one. We're gonna open these. So these are a bunch of small rose quartz that I did request. Yeah, because I don't have small rose quartz and it's very popular. And thankfully none of them are broken. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, rose quartz with copper looks nice. And also with silver, of course. It looks good. These are the rose quartz. And the last one that we are going to unbox, and these are really special. I have been looking for these for the longest time. Actually, there is another color that I'm looking for, but let's see. Hopefully I can get one soon. They are quite rare, I would say. Okay, so these are Labradorites, but they are colored. So they are natural Labradorites that have been dyed. So they have a really, 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 really strong color. So let's start with this one. This is a Labradorite that has been dyed green. Look at that. That's really, really beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is going to look good as a necklace. I'm still thinking if I'm going to use it with copper or silver. I think it'll look good on both. And the last one is this one. Look how beautiful this is. So this is again a Labradorite that has been dyed. That is awesome. I've never had one of these. Remember the piece that I made the other time, which was a pinkish purple Labradorite that I made or that I used? This one is natural. Okay, this one doesn't have any dyes. This is completely like this when I got it. And this was also from Stone's Card, by the way. But look how vibrant this pink is compared to the natural one. Of course, you know, when it's dyed, I wouldn't recommend you to wash it. I think this is a perfect piece for not an everyday piece. It's more of like something that you would use from time to time. But that is so beautiful. And I guess that's it. Yeah, there's nothing more. Is there any more that I missed? I guess that's all. Well, this is more, more than I expected, to be honest. These are really beautiful. Anyway, if you are in the market for new stones, check out stonescard.com. They just added more than 1,000 semi-precious stones in their website, so do check them out. Also, don't forget to use the code MAJ10 upon checkout to get 10% discount and a free stone. Thank you again, Stonescard, for sponsoring today's video and sending me all these wonderful stones. Anyway, that is all we have for this video. If you like this type of content, do let me know because I am planning on creating different kinds of videos for the channel this coming year. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow my socials on Instagram and Facebook. I'm just there if you need me. Just shoot me a message if you have any questions, suggestions, or would just like to say hello. And if you want to support this channel directly, you can do so with Patreon or here on YouTube by tapping the super thanks button right above the comment section. I also have affiliate links in the description box, and by using these links, I do earn a small commission, which doesn't cost you anything extra if you use them. And with that, it'll help me create more and better content for you all to enjoy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me these past 2 years. See you again next time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy wrapping! Bye!